How to improve the backhand topspin by Coach EmRatThich. Hello my friends, welcome back to Learn Table Tennis with Coach EmRatThich. Today let's learn from Coach Chen Kangning, a Chinese master coach who gives excellent advice on how to improve your backhand topspin technique. Backhand topspin. It's like releasing the arrow. To generate power in your backhand topspin, you must think like an archer. First, pull the bow fully, then release the arrow. This is exactly how your body should work during the stroke. Pull back your arm like you are drawing a bowstring. The left hand helps with balance, coming in toward the body. The elbow comes forward and the wrist is loaded. Then, boom, release everything at once. Just like Coach Chen said, bow pulled fully, arrow released. That's the feeling. Key mistake, hitting only with the wrist. Many amateur players try to spin the ball only with the wrist. That's a mistake. Your hand is in front, but your elbow is stuck behind. There's no power stored. What do I, Coach EmRatThich, always say? To increase the power, try to put your elbow in front. It's not only the wrist, but also the elbow that needs to be stable. If your elbow doesn't come forward, you twist with your arm and the power stays in your shoulder. The result? No quality, no spin, no speed. EmRatThich's technical tip, elbow comes first. When you step in, your elbow should lead the movement. The hand follows the elbow naturally. This position brings the racket to the right side of the belly button, a perfect place to unleash your power. Look at the pros. Their hand isn't just swinging randomly, it's guided by the elbow, which helps. Create better distance for hitting the ball. Store and release energy like a loaded spring. When you time the elbow and wrist correctly, you get that snap, the whip-like power that produces a deadly topspin. Visualization exercise. Feel the bow and arrow. Here's a simple way to understand. Imagine your arm as the bow, your hand is the arrow. You pull back, store energy, and then let go. This is the explosive feeling you want in your backhand. Not soft, not lazy, but crisp, fast, and fluid.
力量卸掉，明白吗？他是你看啊，进来以后，看这个左手也抱进来，知道吧？上面把这个球整个抱在自己怀里，然后再干什么？放出去。 等于我这是把弓拉满，然后把箭放出来，上下，然后来，你看，啊，弓拉满，箭放出来，是这感觉，你看，啊，弓拉满，箭放出来，啊，弓拉满，箭放出来，是这感觉，不是这个，松的，你在上爪的同时，肘关节没有支出来，我比你多一个什么？你是这么拧。 你是不是手在最前面？我是肘在最前面。我上去的时候，啊，你看，你虽然引开了，但你的手还是在最前面，啊，是不是手在最前面呢？谁在最前面呢？肘，手到哪儿去了？随着肘关节支出来，顺势啊，到肚脐眼右边去了，对吧？到自己怀里去了。 是吧？而你是怎么拧的？你也能上台，但永远不可能出体。上步的同时，肘关节支出来，手回来，利用这个来给出什么更好的击球距离，同时呢，又能够更好的续上力，对吧？是不是这感觉？而不是。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.